In this video, I'll show you how can you fix Powkiddy RGB20S console not charging. If your Powkiddy RGB20S console isn't charging, you could start by some of these basic troubleshooting steps. First of all, you want to make sure you use the correct charger, that is RGB20s require a 5V or 2A charger, ideally the one that comes with the device itself. The other thing what you could also do is you could also use the correct cord. Make sure you are using the original USB to USB-C cable and not USB-C to USB-C cable itself. This should be an issue. The other thing you could also do is try outlet, or different outlet could be helpful. See whether that fixes your issue or not. If not, you could also try cleaning the charging port. Now sometimes dust or debris can sometimes block the charging port. You could use compressed air or a small brush to gently clean the port. That could be able to help you out. The other thing what you could also do is you could also examine the charger and a cable itself. Now check for damage. You could look for any visible damage to a power adapter or cable, such as bent pin or wire damage or loose connection. This could be one reason. The other thing what you could do is, if nothing seems to be working out, you could simply perform a hard reset. For that, hold the power button. Once you see the option as shut down, you could then wait for a couple of seconds and then once again restart it to use it and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If the issue still persists on, then it could be some issue with the battery itself. You could actually contact the support or maybe get help with an expert and they will be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.